If you have ADHD and test anxiety while studying for the USMLE or COMLEX, you're not just dealing with distraction. You're dealing with a brain that is overwhelmed, potentially dysregulated, and under pressure to perform at a really high level. And most advice is not built for how your brain actually works. Hi, I'm Dr. Bianca Bush. I am a board-certified psychiatrist and founder of Test Anxiety No More. I help physicians who feel stuck, scattered, or panicked get back into a place where they can actually perform. And today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step plan to help you do exactly that. If you haven't already, grab my test anxiety quiz and study planner below. These are both going to help you apply what you learned today and the things that I'm talking about. Before we get into the steps, we need to shift something important. This is not a knowledge problem. You could know the material and still underperform. Why is this? Because under stress, your amygdala activates, it's in threat mode, your prefrontal cortex goes offline, that's decision-making, recall, focus, and this is compounded by ADHD, which makes it harder to regulate attention and sustain effort. We know this. So what you're experiencing isn't laziness, it's not a lack of discipline, it's a performance system issue. And that means we don't just need better studying, we need better regulation, structure, and identity under pressure. So let's start with step one. Structure your brain. You need to externalize your executive function. If you have ADHD, you can't just rely on motivation, memory, or I'll just figure it out today when you actually need to study that day. You need structure. Here's what that looks like. 1, time block your day, even loosely. Morning, do new content. Afternoon, tackle questions. Evening, light review of what you may have missed in your questions. 2, a visual system. Notion, use Notion or another digital tool to organize yourself or even take notes or implement your content. Maybe use a whiteboard if you're kinesthetically driven and you really need to move your body. If you're an analog girly, maybe print out a schedule that you're going to use. Your brain needs to see exactly what's happening to know what to anticipate and to study effectively. Number 3, define done for each block. Not simply purely, okay, today I'm going to study cardiology. No, let's get specific. I'm going to do 20 U-World questions plus review explanations. This is going to reduce overwhelm and decision fatigue. And then you're going to feel really good when you accomplish that really achievable goal. This is exactly why I created the board study planner. It's a Notion template designed for brains that don't thrive on vague plans. And you can download it below. I used it for my last attempt at the child psychiatry boards and I passed. And this was one of the ways that I did it. So check it out. Step 2, regulate your nervous system. Now, in step 2, this is where most people go wrong. You cannot outstudy a dysregulated nervous system. If your brain and your body are in panic mode, recall drops, focus drops, and your confidence drops. So we need to train regulation daily. Not just on test day. I'm going to say that again. We need to train regulation daily, not just on test day. Here's a simple protocol. 1, the pre-study reset. You can do this in 2 or 5 minutes before you start studying. Engage in some slow breathing, feet on the ground, orient to your space. Okay, I'm here right now. I'm getting ready to study. Number 2, do a mid-study reset. So every 45 to 60 minutes, or maybe even every 20 to 30 minutes, that's more helpful if you have ADHD, stand up, breathe, do a quick reset. Now, so that you don't get distracted, I want you to limit what's around you. Don't take this time to get on social media and scroll because before you know it, 5, 10, 20 minutes, an hour will be gone. So just stand up, breathe, take a quick reset, sit back down and get back into it. Number 3, practice calming under pressure. So do timed blocks. Notice when your anxiety is rising, if you're seeing something you don't know, and then stay with it instead of escaping. Try to do some breathing, try to relax a little bit and get right back into it. This is going to build tolerance, not avoidance, and this is going to carry straight into test day. Step 3, we want to train your test day identity. This is the part that nobody talks about. If your identity going into the exam is I'm scattered, panic, I failed before, your brain is going to try to confirm that story. The brain is incredible. This is why I love the type of work that I do. So we need to actively build a new story. Here's how. do a daily mental rehearsal. I want you to visualize sitting at the exam, feeling the anxiety coming up, staying grounded, and then answering clearly. Number 2, use targeted affirmations, not fluffy ones, but ones that are performance-based. Like, I can feel anxious and still think clearly, or I return to focus quickly. Number 3, I want you to track small wins. When you finish a block, you notice that you had improved focus or you had fewer times that you spiraled. I want you to celebrate that. And this is going to rewire your brain towards competence under pressure. Step 4. Here's how it all comes together. ADHD and anxiety require structure. This is the external systems we talked about, regulation, that's getting your body under control, and then identity, how you see yourself under pressure. If you only do one of these things, you may still feel stuck. But if you combine them, you start to feel in control, trust yourself, and performance will follow. If this is hitting for you, you're exactly who I created this upcoming live webinar, live training for. I'm gonna walk through how to reset panic during exams, how to study with ADHD without burning out or getting discouraged, and then how to rebuild your confidence after struggling or failing. I've been there. All of these things apply to me, so let me guide you. You can sign up below. It's free and it's designed specifically for physicians preparing for high stakes exams. If you're not ready yet, that's cool. Grab the planner, grab the affirmation series, but start building your system now. I want to see you succeed, and this is not about becoming a different person. It's about learning how to perform as yourself under pressure. So check these things out, and I'll see you next time.